It's none other than Matty's Gelato, where this young entrepreneur is serving up this authentic dessert after studying with a gelato master. Tell me what we're making. What's our...
All right, now we're at the ground level. We're about to make the chocolate fudge brownie.
Okay.
I'm gonna open this, I'm gonna put a little bit out. You're gonna throw in the brownies, the chocolate, and just swirl it all nice together.
All right.
Yeah, we're putting your work today.
Okay. Oh, wow.
It's not a bad job, Frank.
Yeah.
There's worse jobs out there.
Oh, man.
All right, looks pretty good, man.
Pretty good?
Yeah, so now we're gonna go right into the deep freezer with this.
Okay. What makes a guy your age think that he can start his own ice cream or gelato parlor?
So it was never honed into ice cream or gelato. It was just business in general. I always wanted to own a business ever since I was little. I didn't know what kind of business, but I knew that's where I was meant to be. And I stumbled upon gelato. That's where I learned how to make it.
How do you stumble upon it and go like, this is something I want to create?
I worked in a gelato factory up in Connecticut.
Okay.
And I learned from this guy Nico. He was an Italian gelato master.
So I noticed there's a little jar over there, a little can with a bunch of little papers in there.
A lot of these flavors, I never came up with these. Customers would come in and say, hey, can you try making this flavor before?
Do you ever name it after anybody?
Right here. Judge's chocolate right here was named after somebody.
Now, you know my next question, right?
What's the next question?
When are we going to have a Frank gelato?
We're going to have one right after today.
Right after today, right? One thing I think is really cool about what you have here is you got this wall of fame here.
This is probably the most prized possession of the whole entire shop. Everything here was the picture wall. These are all the customers been here since the day I opened. Whoever wants to get the picture taken, we put them up on the wall. Everybody here, it means something. Everyone on here made this possible.
There's only one thing left, and that is to try the ice cream that I made.
The fudge
Can we
brownie,
do that?
man.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's do that. Oh, man. Together, ready?
Yep.
Come on over. I just made it. Fantastic. Look at this one. Bam.
Oh, my.
Oh, you enjoy that.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
You're a lucky man.